Have you ever imagined a family of rodents living in your house? They not only steal your food, but also your happiness. Maybe that is what Bong Joon-ho had in mind when writing Parasite. Hello, I'm Ahmad Frizo Santo with study number 251820101111 from English class G600. In this video, I will discuss a film that forced you to sit in silence and think. Parasite.
구라를 좀 치지 뭐. 부잣 치과에야 돈도 많이 줘.
이댁 식구들 참 잘 속아, 그지?
아버지, 저는 이게 위조나 범죄라고 생각하지 않아요.
우리도 뭔가 준비를 해야겠다.
너는 계획이 다 있구나.
이게 다 다송이 마음속의 블랙박스입니다. 그 검은 상자를 저와 함께 열어보시겠어요, 어머니? 열고 싶습니다, 선생님.
내가 원래 선을 넘는 사람을 제일 싫어하는데.
오늘 이거 애들 아빠한테 꼭 비밀로 해주세요. 저기 손 씻으셨어.
그럼 우리 바로 진행하는 거야?
나 이제 사람을 못 믿잖아.
그래도 사랑하시죠?
계획이 없던 건데?
절대 실패하지 않는 계획이 만전하네. 무계획이야, 무계획.
Directed by Bong Joon-ho and released in 2019, Parasite caused a tsunami in Hollywood. The story followed the struggling Kim family who infiltrate the wealthy Park family's life by faking credentials. What started as a hilarious conspiracy into a dark thriller. It made history as the first non-English film to win Best Picture at the Oscar, mixing black comedy, thriller, and drama into a masterpiece. The premise of a poor family scamming a rich one sounds basic, but the execution is the next level. Bong Joon-ho avoids the rich bad, poor good trope. The Park are nice because they rich, while the Kims manipulate to survive. This creates a gray area where you root for the scammers but pity the victims. It is not just rich versus poor, it is the poor victim the poor for scraps. The movie feels like two different genres meshed perfectly. Part 1 feels like a funny Ocean's 11 haze as a Kims execute their plan. Part 2 turns into a horror nightmare the moment the old housekeeper returns in the rain. From the doorbell ring, the anxiety goes from 0 to 100, shifting from a basement brawl to a chaotic birthday party. The bunker referral, finding a man living in the basement, was a plot twist of the decade. The symbolism of smell is also crucial. Mr. Park covering his nose in the villain origin story that pushes Mr. Kim to snap. Finally, the delusional ending where Ki-woo imagines buying the house is heartbreaking because we know it is a fantasy that will never happen. Ki-woo is the tragic dreamer with fake it until you make it energy. Ki-jung, also known as Jessica, is the confident mastermind and absolute most valuable player who tragically dies first. Mr. Kim and falls from a chill death to a broken man, eventually snipping after enduring 1,000 tiny humiliation regarding his melt. Jong-suk, the mom, remains the realistic encore, who know money is the only reason the park are nice. Mr. Park is a polite villain whose casual elitism saw in his obsession with the subway smell. Miss Park is gullible and detached from reality. Their children, Da-hye and Da-song, are neglected pawns. Da-hye seeks attention from Ki-woo, while Da-song is the traumatized accidental whistleblower. Bong Joon-ho's direction is obsessed with details. Visually, the cinematography uses lines in the frame like windows and glass to constantly separate the Kims from the parks. Vertically is key. The parks live uphill in the sunlight, while the Kims live literally underground. The scene where the Kims run down endless stairs in the rain visually represent their low social status. Jung Jae-il's baroque style scores adds an anxious elegance, making the scam feel like high-stakes opera. The sound design highlights the class gap, specifically the rain. For the parks, rain is just relaxing background noise for camping. For Kim, it is a life-destroying disaster. The central theme is class warfare, symbolized by the smile of poverty that money cannot scrap off. Well, the title itself is a question. Who is the real parasite? Is it the Kim for leeching off the wealthy, or the Parks who cannot perform basic tasks like cooking or driving without underpaid labor? Honestly, the movie lives rent-free in my heart. I love the genre bending and flawless pacing. True, the heavy ending offers no escapism. If you like Get Out, this is for you. Parasite is a perfect 9 of 10. It is a cultural reset that is entrancing yet heartbreaking. The final shot of the flickering light remains a haunting reminder that for many, the dream is just a fantasy. Go stream it as soon as possible. Bye bye.